Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to liven up your conversations on Telegram by sending GIFs, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to send GIFs in Telegram, not just the quick and easy way, but also how to share your own custom GIFs from your device. This is a great way to express yourself, make your chats more fun, and maybe even get a few laughs from your friends. So let's jump right in. First, let's start with the most common method. Sending a GIF directly from Telegram's built-in GIF library. The first step is to open the chat, so go ahead and tap on the conversation where you want to send that perfect GIF. Maybe it's your group chat with friends or you're cheering someone up in a one-on-one conversation. Wherever you want to share that GIF moment, just enter that chat. Now you're going to see the message field at the bottom of your screen, and right next to it, there's a little sticker icon that looks like a smiley face. Tap on that. It's not just for stickers and emojis, it also unlocks the world of GIFs. Once the sticker panel pops up, you'll notice several tabs at the bottom or top, such as emoji, stickers, and GIFs. Look for the tab labeled GIF and select it. If you've never tapped this before, it might take a second to locate, but it's usually right alongside the other tabs. When you open the GIF tab, you'll see a selection of popular GIFs right away, or trending ones if Telegram wants to show you what's hot and funny right now. If you already have a GIF in mind, here, where it gets even cooler, use the search bar at the top of the panel to type in a keyword. For example, if you want something with a cat, type cat and watch a ton of adorable cat GIFs appear. This search feature is super handy, especially when you're trying to capture a specific mood or reaction. Don't be afraid to experiment with different keywords to find that perfect GIF. Once you find the right GIF, all you need to do is tap on it. Telegram will send it instantly to your chat and you'll see it pop up just like any other message. That's it, your conversation just got a little more expressive. But what if you want to send a GIF that's not in the Telegram library, maybe something you downloaded yourself or a funny animation you made? No problem. For this, you'll use Telegram's attachment menu. Once again, open the chat where you want to send the file. This time, look for the small paperclip icon, usually in the bottom right corner, and tap it. This opens up your attachment options, letting you send photos, videos, files, and more. Select Document or File from the list. This might feel a little different than sending a regular picture, but it's just as easy. Browse your gallery or file manager and find the GIF you want to share. You'll notice all your downloadable GIFs are usually saved with the GIF format, so they're easy to spot. After you select your GIF, tap the Send button, and just like that, your custom GIF will be delivered to the chat. Sending GIFs is an awesome way to convey emotions, ideas, or inside jokes with just one click or tap. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get used to the different menus. Telegram is really intuitive once you know where everything lives. GIFs can break the ice, make your friends smile, or say what words sometimes just can't express. Give it a try. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to drop any questions in the comments below. I'm always here to help. For more tips and tutorials just like this, be sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.